Only singles can join Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this chain story right here and from where you can get it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this Instagram profile, you will have to go to October add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go at this highlight right here, October add yours. Click on that. Now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker, and I think it's at the end. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below that can help you with that problem. And also if the highlights are not loading, I also have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. So now we just have to go to our uploads, which are in the left bottom corner, and we will have to select a photo. I will go with this one. You can place it where you want to make it bigger or smaller, and you can place your sticker where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.